as promised, let's start with our short practices and tools for all that we have talked about in A to Z series. The first thing was 3 A's to achieve, and in that, accept, affirm and acknowledge. So let's focus this week on acceptance. Now, why acceptance? Because until and unless we accept our current situation, whatever has happened to us in past, we are not able to move forward. And we are also not able to think with clarity and come to a solution. So, acceptance. Now, what all do we need to accept? We need to accept ourselves as we are. We need to accept people around us as they are, especially close family members. And we need to accept situation and experience we have had in life. Now, सबसे close relationship क्या है हमारा? वो है हमारा हमारे से. That is accept yourself first. So today let's do accepting yourself. Now, why in the first place we are not able to accept ourselves? Now look at this. As a growing up kid or growing up child, what is the most common word we hear? The most common word we hear, or most common word we also use with our children is no, don't do this, no, not that way. Let me tell you, no, that is not correct. Don't do it. Now this no, this don't, this the way it is communicated, the cherry on the top comes when it is connected to being a good boy, good girl, or a bad boy, bad girl. So you don't do it like this because you are a good girl or a good boy. You don't do this. Do you want to be a bad boy or a bad girl? So now it becomes that any mistake, anything you are trying and the no comes, any mistake you make is an image breaker to the good boy or the good girl you are motivated to become. Right? This is all done subconsciously. It is out of love, care and safety that parents say no. So do not take it in other ways. Just look at the effect it creates. Now, it is an image breaker. So if you ask a kid in the first place, did you do this? The first thing will come is, no, I did not do it.
Did you do that? I swear.
Maybe then, calmly and easily if you ask, they will accept it. But the first place will be no. Why? Because if this mistake I have done, I become a bad boy or a bad girl. And this is an image breaker, and now I won't be socially accepted. So this social acceptance is not possible only if you do not make a mistake, right? Now, what happens as we grow up and we become an adult, right? When we become an adult, we learn sophisticated ways to cover up these mistakes. Sometimes we make excuses, sometimes we give justification, and sometimes we blame it on other people, right? Why? Because making a mistake is again an image breaker. If it is an image breaker, social acceptance is a challenge. Now, what to do with this? Okay, if till now you have not grabbed a pen and a paper or notebook, if you do not have a notebook at present with you, just pause this video and grab a notebook and a pen so that all these tools which we are talking about can be at one place so that you can practice it anytime, anywhere. Okay, so now on that notebook, let's write on the first page, accept yourself. Now what we need to do to accept ourselves? Now just admit all the mistakes you made. You don't need to ask anybody else. Just admit it. Whatever you feel you made a mistake. Just admit all your mistake and address all the flaws and failures. Now flaws can be your physical flaws which you feel. I'm fat, I'm thin, I'm not good looking, I'm this, I'm that. Anything which you feel is a flaw. And anything in your life which you have considered as a failure. Just simply address it. Just write it. Just admit your mistakes. Now, here comes a small tip or a small trick. What will happen when you will write all this? These are all threads, right? Because these have been image breakers for you, right? So these are all threads. Now when these threads you will write, you are facing it up front. what will happen mentally and physically? Your body will try to defend, and in that defense mechanism your body will try to close itself, right? Mentally also you will try to close, and your body will also try to close itself. At that point of time, bring your awareness to your body, open yourself, and just admit, just read out loud whatever you have written. Admit your mistakes, accept, admit and address your flaws and failures. Keep your body open and just read those lines which you have written. This is a great tool. When you are open, you accept life as it comes. Try it out and stay tuned for next. Share it, like it, share it with people who will benefit listening to this, and you feel they can try this out and bring about a change in their life.